Hey everyone, this is Pratyay and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox. So to do that, first of all we have to go on a browser. You can go any browser. Then search for the VirtualBox. Go on the first link. This is the Oracle VirtualBox and click the download option. Then you have to choose your operating system. If you are an Windows user or uh, Mac OS user, Linux user, select your OS. As I am an Windows user, then I will select Windows. It will start downloading. We have to wait for it to get downloaded. As it is downloaded, now we will open this file and allow this app to make changes on this device. Then we have to press next. Read the agreement or user license agreement carefully, and then accept all the terms in the license. Then press next. You don't have to make any changes here, so press next and press yes, and it will start installing. Now press finish, and we have our virtual Oracle box here. Now we need to install Ubuntu ISO file. So for that we have to go on the Ubuntu's website. Here you can find the download Ubuntu for desktop button and click here for the download. It will bring you in this page and you will find the most latest version of Ubuntu, which is 24.004.1 LTS. It's 5.8 GB, so make sure you have that storage. Press download. It has already started. If we press start, okay, and press OK, then it will start installing Ubuntu. We can see here that it has already started. Now press start. Well, we can see that download has been completed. So now we have to go on the VirtualBox. Bring the logo outside. This is the Oracle VirtualBox. So let's open it. First, we have to press the new button and create a disk. So let's write Ubuntu. When you write Ubuntu, it will take the types, subtypes, and versions. Then now I can change the name. So I will name it Pratyay and press next. Here we can increase the memory size. I will take 6000 MB. Well, I can also take it 7000. I will take 7 GB of memories, and it's safe to take the processor limit till the green line. So I will take this, increase some more of my memory, and then press next. to create a virtual disk, I can increase it to 5 GB. It is a limit of 4 MB to 2 terabytes, so I will take 5 GB and then press next. There is no need to change these things and press finish. You can also change. Now we have to press the settings and go to the general and then press advanced button and have to change the share clipboard to bidirectional, also the drag and drop system to bidirectional, and press OK. Then again we have to press settings and select the storage. Then we have to select an empty disk from here. And after that, then we have to click on this blue button, and we'll see that there is a choose or create a virtual optical disk. We have to click this file, then press add, and we will have to add our ISO file of Ubuntu here. Then let's open it here and then press choose. Now we can see our Ubuntu file here. Then press OK. Now if we press start, if that kind of error occurs, then restart your PC and again open VirtualBox. Then again try to start this folder, and you will find that your Ubuntu has started installing. Then press enter. You have to wait for some moment here. Let me zoom it for you guys. Ubuntu is getting installed. As the Ubuntu is now installed, so we are going to run some test on terminal. So let's check it. Sudo apt install Ubuntu restricted extras. Let's run it. So it is. Yes. So you can see that our Ubuntu is working perfectly. That's all. Thank you.